Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my God. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Oh my God. Holy shit.
Pinoy trucker.
Hindi ko alam kung anong merong kalsadang naghihintay sa akin sa papuntang Calgary. Kasi yung hangin nanggagaling sa west. So mangyayari, sasalubungin ko ngayon ang itong hangin na 100 km/h. Buti na lang kahapon, pagkadating ko dito, nag-refuel na agad ako. Parang wala pang dumadaan na mga truck dito. So wala akong makikita. Okay lang sana kung hangin, kung meron kasamang snow na ganyan, no? Pastilan tulo. Gawing lakas ng hangin. 90 to 100 km/h. Okay, mayroong turnout dito. Papalipas muna. Yeah, may turnout dito, may turnout. Dito na ako. Hindi kaya. Talagang hindi kaya, hindi kaya. Ito, yeah. Sobrang lakas ng hangin, hindi talaga siya kaya. Oh my God, slipper bird. Okay, alas 7 na ng umaga. And malakas pa rin yung hangin, pero pwede na siyang tumakbo dahil natural na liwanag na siya. Hindi kagaya kanina na sobrang dilim. So ito pwede na to. Okay, tara. Makain na walang tinapay. Let's go, boys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Talaga. Pag yung truck mo dito ay empty Wala, tutumba ka ng hangin. Kasi yung hangin galing dito sa right side papunta doon. So tutumba ka niya sa left side. Ayun, oy, ano to? Ayun, may nag-jackknife na nga oh. May nag-jackknife na. God. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my God. Ayun, may nag-jackknife na. Pag mga ganong situation na okay naman yung driver, jackknife lang naman siya, so umaandar yung makina, okay lang, makina. Okay lang yung, basta as long na umaandar yung makina, okay lang siya. Kasi magkakaroon pa siya ng hangin, ng init doon sa loob. Pero kung talagang dead ball na yung engine niya, doon mo siya pwedeng tulungan dahil mamamatay siya sa lamig doon sa loob ng truck. Pero as long as na meron siyang heater, okay lang yun. Maghihintay siya ng tawag doon, towing para itow siya. So okay naman yung truck, na jackknife lang siya. Hindi naman totally wreck yung sasakyan. Siguro nadali siya ng sobrang lakas talaga ng hangin. Okay lang yan. Gaya nito, talagang tumigil na sila. Totally tumigil na sila sa gilid. Ayun, may na-jackknife pa oh. May na-jackknife din dito. Ayan, nahulog siya sa ano. Grabe. So tumigil na sila, madulas na, makikita mo yung kalsada, ano na siya. Dulas na yung kalsada. May build up na ng black ice yung kalsada. But yung forma nilang ganyan, napakadelikado yan. Napakadelikado kasi kung may matulin-tulin na truck na tumatakbo dyan, warak silang lahat doon. Warak talaga silang lahat. Kasi wala na sila sa gilid eh. Nasa dito na lane na sila nakapark. Wala na sila sa shoulder. So kung may medyo matulin-tulin doon, warak. Madulas na yung kalsada, nag-build up na ng black ice. Pag yung truck mo dito ay empty, wala, tutumba ka ng hangin. Kasi yung hangin galing dito sa right side papunta doon. So tutumba ka niya sa left side. mga truck pa rin na tumitigil dito sa gilid. Oh. Ito yung mga delikado. Yan, pag hindi mo napansin yan. Pag hindi mo, oh shit! Ano nangyari sa'yo? Oh my God! Sabi ko sa inyo, matulin siya eh. Oh my God! Puntahan ko muna. Man. Shit. Puntahan ko muna. You're okay?
I'm fine. You guys are parked there.
No, I'm not parking. I just slowed down because there's a truck on the slow lane. You're okay, man? Come. Get outside. It's cold.
Yeah, I gotta find my phone to get my phone.
I'm gonna call 911. All right? I'll be back, buddy. Oh my God! Black ice na siya. Ano to? Kita ko itong truck na nag-flip eh. Kita ko siya kanina, nakuha siya ng nag-flip. Overtake siya sa akin. Hey dude! Are you okay? But the ambulance is coming. I called already 911.
I don't need an ambulance.
Huh?
I don't need an ambulance.
But I already called them.
Okay.
Just to make sure that you're okay. Oh shit.
I found the backing plate, but
Just stay inside, hey? It's too cold outside.
yeah.
Alright? Okay, they're coming, dude.
There's nothing we can do. I got live chickens on board and everything.
Oh, you have it's a livestock?
Yep.
What's that?
Chickens.
Chickens?
Yeah.
What? It's all dead now.
Pretty much, yeah.
Hey, dude. Hey,
Can I
are you
borrow your
okay?
phone?
Huh?
Can I borrow your phone? Do you know where we are?
Range Road 204.
Range Road 204. Yeah.
Just the range road is there.
Yeah. Okay.
2
Bye.
kilometers.
It was in the snow underneath the stack.
Oh, snow? How did you find it?
Crawled out and looked for it.
Huh?
It was with my wallet and everything.
They called you?
No, it was the battery was dead, so I started looking around.
Okay.
I found my wallet, and then this was right by it.
Just beside your wallet?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. Make some coffee for you.
Well, the boss was sitting there and goes, I got a dash cam. I said, yeah, there's 2 trucks on the road. I came up, was either slamming the rear one
Yeah, because
or hit the ditch.
I slowed down because these guys are parking in this lane.
Yeah, but at least you're here to say, yeah, there's 2 trucks in the road.
Yeah,
I did
there's
the
2
right
trucks,
thing.
yeah.
I took the fucking ditch.
And I caught you when you, because I have my GoPro, I caught
Yeah.
you when you flipped.
Okay. Boss, the guy took off, the guy that was parked on the road.
Yeah.
I hope your
the
dash
gun.
cams are. I said, I'm glad you're still here because you can prove to my boss
Yeah,
that I avoided slamming into you guys.
Yeah.
It was either the
That's
ditch or rear end. You know what? The ditch was the less of the evils.
That's good. That's good. It's better to ditch than to hit another truck, right?
Yeah.
You need something like... You need noodles?
No, I'm good.
No, you need some hot...
Oh, I ate already.
So we just gotta wait.
Yeah. My dog actually went out of the truck.
Yeah, I see it.
She was outside the truck. I'm like, she went out the fucking
really?
upper window, looks like. Lucky didn't land on her.
Yeah, I did not move because I'm waiting for the ambulance.
Yeah. They're gonna be a while.
This one is good. Yeah, there's the ambulance.
I don't even know where my driver's log or anything. It's buried somewhere in the truck.
But you got your wallet, right? Your
Yeah.
license?
Yeah.
Wait for 5 minutes, not 2 minutes from now.
I should go grab my dog going for her here. She's fucking wet.
No,
Do you mind, or?
No, bring your dog here, man. Bring your dog. We will wait until the ambulance arrives.
I don't know. They're gonna probably want to try to unload the chickens, but I guarantee they can't. They're not gonna flip that truck today. That truck's gonna be on its side till tomorrow or the day after. It ain't gonna fucking do recovery. Okay, I'll be right back.
So yung driver ay hindi nga ako umalis kanina. Pagkakita ko sa kanya na nag-flip yung truck niya, pinuntahan ko siya, tumawag ng 911. Ngayon hindi muna ako umalis hanggat hindi dumating yung 911 kasi malamig sa labas. I know, walang titigil para sa kanya. So naghintay ako dito, hayaan mo na akong malate sa aking appointment. Hindi importante yung pagkain na i-deliver doon, ang importante yung human life, yung driver na meron siyang mapag-initan na lugar dahil wala siyang matitigilan yan dahil yung truck niya patay na, engine off na. So hayaan mo nang malate ako, I don't care, tatawag na ako sa dispatch ko, but importante yung buhay niya kasi meron siyang pamilya naghihintay. Kung sa akin nangyari yun, shit. So sabi ko sa niya, kunin niya yung aso niya dahil kawawa naman yung aso niya nandun, naiwan sa truck. So tatawagan ko yung aking dispatch, papare-appoint ko yung aking biyahe na aking delivery kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng iwanan. I will never leave someone behind. Shiva, come here. You want to hold this door open? Yeah. Come here, Shiva. Come here. Look, nobody will stop for you, man.
Nope.
Oh, I will wait until the ambulance arrives.
What brand of truck is this?
Huh?
What brand of truck is this?
The front?
Yeah.
Volvo.
Volvo.
Yeah.
catching up. You know how it is, like at first the adrenaline kicks in.
Yeah. I understand.
I got spoon still right here. Thank you.
I'm gonna cook some frozen food for you again here.
Oh, that's alright. I'm good.
You need water?
I just need to warm up. Oh, that was a deadly walk just from there to here. It was fucking cold.
Yeah. So I told your boss called me. He wants to talk to you when I'm already inside.
Yeah.
I told him it's fucking cold outside, and he told me if my driver gets out, and tell him that you need to call him like that.
Were you just
already,
called?
yeah, I think no, just
okay.
5 minutes ago.
You got a hold of me because I told him my phone. I got to try to find my phone.
Yeah.
Was it on your phone? Fire department's here, but
Shit, I got the one. Smoke.
where are you coming from?
Just came from Winnipeg. I'm heading to British Columbia.
Oh,
I got an appointment tomorrow early in the morning, and I told my boss, I text them, set the appointment to another time because I can't make it.
oh.
Look at the highway.
It's like this all the way into BC.
Oh, really?
I heard, yeah.
Eating that one.
Thanks, this sounds good.
That's good for you. There's the guy. Oh, he parked here.
Oh,
He should
yeah.
park there.
I don't know. See what he has to say.
The other side. Oh, it's good here. It's good here.
How's it going, man?
Good?
You're the truck driver for that? We won't do it today, guaranteed. But you can call us and we'll come first thing tomorrow morning.
I'll let the boss know. I don't know who the hell he's doing, so.
Yeah, guys.
No, there's a guy parked right where you were, and
Yeah.
he was on the other lane. I was doing about 30, and then I kind of went there. And it was either rear end him, slamming in the back of the other guy, or hit the ditch.
Okay, well, my boss has done another rollover. He's on his way to the shop. And you can give a call, see if they'll want to do it today, but I don't know, man. Because I'm the only one up here. He was up in Crossfield. It's that's bad over
So
there.
you're just heading back to Calgary?
Well, no, I got another one in before Clooney in the center meridian, and fuck, there's some everywhere, man.
Yeah, because that's pretty much shut the highway down to get me back on the wheels. Pretty
Yeah,
much,
so-
right?
The ambulance is there.
You can give the info to your boss if you want.
Yeah.
See what my boss wants to do.
Is that ambulance at the back?
Ambulance and firefighters. So.
Oh, it's there.
Okay, man. Thank you.
Keep safe.
Let's just me move over to the driver's seat.
Okay, so who is the driver? Okay, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, no, I'm
Get
fine.
inside, sir.
A little shook up.
Yeah, so no headache?
No, just a little gut rot, but that's just from the adrenaline kicking out, I think, just everything. So.
She's okay?
Oh yeah, she's fine. She's
Okay.
a little stressed out too. She seems to be walking fine.
Okay, so no chest pain, no back pain?
Nope.
Okay, so
Just
did
hands
you
are cold.
did you self-extricate? Did you get out of it?
Yeah. No, the top bunk, like there's two windows in the top bunk. The
Okay.
one popped out. She was actually ended up
Okay.
got launched out and it rolled.
Okay.
So she kind of knocked the window out. I just climbed out of the window and all that stuff. So other than that, I would have booted out the front windshield anyways, because it's just, oh, you can go with the passenger door. You try to lift the passenger door when it's
Yeah.
like this. You can't.
Okay,
So the best thing to do is boot the windshield. And then I look
Okay.
at the back, the window's out. I'm like, well, I got an exit hole down low. So.
Okay, we're not even going to let you do any paperwork. You're fine.
Okay, yeah.
You-
No worries.
you-
If anything
like-
changes throughout the day,
Yeah.
though, like
Go
don't
to the
hesitate
hospital or
to call,
whatever.
Yeah.
hospital or even call 911 again. Just
Yeah.
especially with adrenaline and everything,
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
you're feeling really good now. It might be a little
Like,
different
you know, do
later.
you want
right?
us to take you to the hospital?
No, I'm fine. That's just, I can deal with it. If I do have pain, I can go myself. Like I said, it usually takes about 4 to 5 hours almost for adrenaline to finally kick out. And that's when it's like, okay, now I'm feeling the pain.
Might be a
Because you
year
can go to the
or two about
hospital,
truck,
it's like,
too.
yeah, like you go to the hospital, you're fine, and I'll go home and I'll go to bed and then wake up and it's like, oh, there's the stiffness.
Yeah.
So I know, but thanks for coming out. That's
Yeah.
muchly appreciated. So
Yeah.
Yeah, I see this guy when you flip on the left side.
Okay. All right.
either that or we're in one or two trucks. So
Yeah.
it would have been him or the guy parked on the road.
And this car is
There's a guy
just,
that parked in the road, this two truck parked and driving the left side slowly. It's slippery. Then I see this guy.
Yeah, I seen him and it was either slam in the back of him or avoid everything and hit the ditch.
And
Right
this
one
car
truck
is
off
just
instead
sitting-
of many.
Yeah.
Just sitting there for about 15 minutes, I think.
yeah, it's dangerous. Okay. Well, thank you for calling. And
Yeah,
like,
Thanks for stopping.
like my partner said,
I wait you guys because I know nobody will stop for here because
Yeah.
this truck is not working anymore. So I wait
Yeah.
until
A lot of
this guy
people think
arrives
it's just
so I can-
abandoned when they see that. They just keep
Yeah.
driving. They keep
We
driving.
appreciate that too.
yeah, thank you so much. This is nice in here.
Oh yeah.
And
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. The
Yeah.
Volvo's pretty nice. It's almost like a T680. The camera's about the same size on the
Oh,
inside. Yeah.
All right, guys. Okay, look after yourself and stay safe.
All right.
Yeah,
And I
stay
was in the
warm,
truck
stay
for about
warm.
half an hour, and then it's like, well, he's here. I'm gonna go sit in his truck while the engine's running.
Yeah, no kidding.
The boss goes, turn on the bunk heater. I said, I'm not firing anything that lights up fire or flame or anything, because I don't know if I'm leaking diesel or
Yeah.
oil or anything.
Yeah,
Like,
all of this leaking.
yeah, but what I'm saying, we got a bunk heater. He said, fire the bunk
Oh.
heater up. I said, I don't want no flames going.
Yeah, no.
Because I can have a leak, and next thing you know, I'm sitting inside nice and warm, and then, oh shit, the whole boundary side of the truck's
Yeah.
on fire.
Two
And,
more.
What are you carrying?
what's that?
You're
Live
not-
chickens. They're not live anymore. And they're saying, oh, we're going to come recover them. You ain't going to recover the chicken because you got to get the trailer on its wheels to lift it up and get the chickens off.
Yeah.
They're pretty much all going to lie there and die.
Yeah.
They're pretty much going to, it's a bad way to die, but
Not
It's gonna
much-
happen
It's
eventually,
gonna
yeah.
happen eventually.
it was either going to go on a dinner plate or in the garbage. One of the two.
Yeah. All right, sir. You look after yourself.
All right. Let's wait for the boss. Yeah, you're going to have to really push.
Take care, man.
Thank you.
Your
My
noodles,
soup.
the soup.
My soup.
There's soup,
That's
man.
good. I've never had this brand before. It's like they're what, vermicelli noodles instead, aren't they?
That's from I think from my country.
Yeah, vermicelli.
Oh,
yeah.
vermicelli?
Yeah,
All right.
Vietnamese noodles. So you're from the Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Understood the language. Like that's Filipino.
Yeah. You know, so you have some Filipino friend.
Come on in.
Sit down there.
Are you the driver?
I'm the driver. Yeah.
Meet us another day. It's too dangerous out here.
Okay.
Sir.
All right.
Sorry.
Sit down, please.
Yeah. All
It's
right.
too dangerous.
Because you go give me a ride into Calgary and all this stuff. So that's all. We're waiting for you to tell us what to do. Right?
You'll have to report to Bizano RCMP. That's myself.
Okay.
So you'll have to at some point come back. But it's a death trap out here. Y'all gonna
Yeah.
get killed.
So
Yeah.
it'll probably be it was a weekend fine and all because then
Yeah.
it gives me a chance to get straightened away and everything. So
As long as
okay.
we get something by then, because if not, they're gonna start looking for you.
Okay.
How's the highway?
Is it?
It's horrible.
I live in Turner Valley.
We're gonna
Is
be
it-
shutting down the highway. So
You shut down the highway?
we're gonna try to. Who's this guy?
I don't know.
I don't know.
He's sitting there for almost 30 minutes.
All right, I'm gonna go check
So
it
do
out.
I have to go to Pisano or could I do it in Turner Valley RCM?
Turnabout is fine.
Okay, I'll go.
I don't know how to open this. All right, I'm gonna attempt to talk to this guy.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna call my boss and say.
Please
that.
don't leave until I'm back.
All right. Let's,
Please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jeez.
Naihatid ko na yung driver dito sa Calgary. And yeah, masama yung panahon kasi hindi siya maganda. Sabi ko nga na hindi pa tapos yung winter time. Meron pa talagang darating. So nagpapasalamat na rin ako dun sa tao na yun. Dahil hindi niya binangga yung aking truck kasi nasa likuran ko siya eh. Kasi yung pag-overtake ko dun sa isang mga truck na naka-file up, nakita niyo naman sa video, naka-park sila mismo sa slow lane. no, which is napakadelikado. Kung tumigil lang sana sila doon sa nag-park sila sa shoulder, baka pwede pa makakalusot pa yung isang truck. Nag-park sila sa mismong sa slow lane, kaya nga nagdahan-dahan ako kasi alam kong napakapangit ang panahon. But yung ibang driver nga hindi rin nag-iisip. Yung ibang driver talaga, lalo na yung mga hindi sila nag-iisip. So dandahan ako pag overtake sa kanila. At yun nga, nakita ko siya, yung isang driver na 30 to 40 km an hour yung takbo niya. So hindi niya ako binangga sa likod. Kasi kung binangga niya ako, damage yung likod, baka ako pati pupunta din sa ditch. So sinugal niya yung sarili niya, na-ditch yung truck. Papasalamat ako sa tao kasi pati sana ako damay ako. Kaya minsan hindi easy yung aming trabaho. Na sasabihin nyo na gusto nyo mag-truck driver kasi ang kalaban mo dito ay yung weather ng Canada. Tapos may mga subscriber na nananalangin na sana madisgrasya ako. Huwag naman ganun, di ba? Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan ng video, umalis na lang kayo. And sabi ko nga lagi sa aking sarili na I will not leave someone behind. Nakita ko siya na tumahog, pwede naman akong umabanti na, di ba? I don't care kung sino ka man, pero hindi mo siguro maatim at the end of the day na kumusta kayo yung tao buhay. Kaya kasi walang titigil sa kanya, nakataob na siya doon. Ang isipin ng mga ibang driver na yung driver ay siguro nadala na ng ambulance, no? Walang titigil doon, nandoon na siya sa loob. So hinintay ko talaga hanggang dumating yung ambulance kasi tumawag ako ng 911. Hinintay ko talaga na dumating kasi kung hindi darating, kailangan niya ng heater, kailangan niya ng init sa katawan, mapuprostbite, mamamatay siya doon kasi malamig, malakas ang hangin, mapupuno na yung loob ng truck niya ng snow. So hinintay ko siya hanggang sa yun nga, nakita niya yung wallet niya, yung phone, yung laptop. Sabi ko dalhin mo rin yung aso mo dito dahil mamamatay din yung aso. Yung karga niya manok, mga live chicken. So hindi mo maatim bilang isang tao. Ito mga Canadian naman sila, no? Hindi mo maatim bilang isang tao na the end of the day na hindi mo man lang tinulungan, di ba? Ako kahit ibang lahi, wala akong pakialam. I will never leave someone behind. I will never leave someone behind. Kahit hindi kita kalahi, kahit hindi ibang lahi ka, no? I will never leave someone behind. Hirap ng ganong situation, no? Minsan kasi yung ibang mga driver talaga yung bang walang pakialam din yung iba na pwede silang banggain sa position nila. Tsaka yun nga, yung pag nagdadrive ka dito sa Canada, hindi lang yung sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi porket na pumasa ka sa mga magagandang school, nakuha mo yung license, professional ka na. Hindi, masasabi mo lang professional ka pag once nag-retire ka na wala kang disgrasya, then yun, professional ka. Pero hanggat nandiyan ka pa sa kalsada kasama ang truck, depende na yun kung paano mo dadalhin yung sarili mo, paano mo dadalhin yung truck mo sa weather condition, no? Kung alam mong pangit ang kalsada tapos raratsada ka ng takbo, pupulutin ka talaga sa kangkungan. So dapat i-adapt mo yung weather condition, pag-aralan mo, dandahan. Kaya ginawa ko nga kanina, tinext ko yung aking dispatch na I don't care kung malate ako, i-reappoint niyo ang aking appointment sa Costco Langley, pero hindi ko kayang iwanan itong tao, yung isang buhay ng tao na nandoon sa truck, diba? So kaya hinintay ko talaga siya na umakyat, dumating yung ambulance. Then ito nga, dineliver ko pa dito sa parking area nila. Hindi man parking, dito sila laging kumakain. So hinatid ko dito dahil para lubos-lubos na rin yung tulong, no? So ito yung aking last trip dito sa company, and anyway, so keep safe and keep on trucking.
Pinoy Trucker.
I keep on trucking.